In this video lecture, we are going to understand the duties performed by an accountant. Accountant is a person who basically works over the data managed by the bookkeepers first. Bookkeeper records the data in terms of debit and credit. He only manages the data, he only summarizes the data, he only records the data in the basic raw form. Then the analysis function is performed by an experienced person known as accountant. So accountant needs to have fair bit of knowledge of accounting. So what an accountant basically does? Initially, first he has to manage the data. Management means the data storage, the updation. Okay? So first the data is managed, then the very important aspect, the analysis is performed. For this analysis, an accountant may use his experience and may use already developed ratios, rates, and other analytical tools for the better analysis. And after this analysis, basically reports are prepared. Now, always remember, these reports obviously use the analytical data performed by an accountant, but it requires us to use different rules and the principles already developed by some international bodies. And these laws are basically called IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards. These standards were initially developed with the name of IAS, a shorter form of International Accounting Standards, and now they are transformed into IFRS. So accountants should have a better knowledge of those laws and principles, and exactly according to the updations and which are already performed with the name of IFRS. After development of these reports, an accountant is about to have some regularity compliances. These compliances are actually developed by government agencies in the respective countries, and these compliances basically vary uh, from one country to the another country. So for an accountant, it is necessary to understand all those compliances, all those regulations uh, offered and performed by the government in the respective country. So it means accountant's task is far more critical than a bookkeeper. Bookkeeper only records the data while an accountant basically performs the basic analysis and the critical analysis, which basically provides the food to the managers before making any kind of a decision. Managers are about to take decisions, and these decisions basically require analysis from the accountant. So, for making better decisions, the performance of accountant becomes critical.